Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare roasted tomato rice. You might have tried regular tomato rice, but here we'll be roasting tomatoes with dried chilies and garlic, which gives a nice roasted flavor, which makes this recipe a different one. Let's quickly start. We need 2 red ripe tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely sliced onion, finely chopped 2 tablespoons pudina leaves or mint leaves, 12 to 15 garlic cloves, 6 dry red chilies, 2 bay leaves or damalpatra, 6 to 8 black pepper, half inch 2 cinnamon sticks or dalchini, 4 cloves or lavang. 1/4 cup corn. I have used frozen corn. I have soaked them in normal water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is purely optional. First, let's roast the tomato on low flame. Roast it with help of the spoon. If you find it difficult roasting with help of the spoon, you can just pierce the fork and then roast it on all the sides. Roast it until the skin peels off. Similarly, roast the other tomato as well. Now let's roast dry chilies and garlic. Heat a pan on low flame. Add 12 to 15 garlic and 6 dry red chilies and roast them until they turn brown. Now you can see the dry chilies and garlic are nicely roasted. Switch off the gas and let it cool. Now add this tomatoes and roasted dry chilies and garlic to a mixer jar. Add little water so that you get a nice homogeneous mixture. Grind this to form a smooth paste. You can see the nice color of the paste. Heat a kadai on low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 2 bay leaves or damalpatra. Add 2 dalchini or cinnamon sticks. Add 8 pepper. Add 4 cloves or lavang. Saute it nicely. You can smell a nice aroma of all the dry spices. Add sliced onion 1/4 cup. Saute it until they are transparent. Now add corn 1/4 cup, which is optional. Mix all the ingredients well. Then add finely chopped 2 tablespoons mint leaves or pudina. You can see it looks so colorful. Mix it well. Now add the grinded paste which we had prepared earlier. Give it a nice stir and allow this mixture to cook on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Add half teaspoon sugar as tomatoes are sour in taste. To give a balanced flavor, we are adding a little sugar. If you want to avoid sugar, you can add jaggery as well. Add half teaspoon red chili powder just to make it a little spicy. If your dry red chilies are already spicier, then you can avoid or skip this step. You can see a nice beautiful color is formed. To this add cooked rice. I have cooked around 1.25 glass of basmati rice. You can use any other regular rice. Now mix all the ingredients well. Thoroughly mix it so that the tomato flavor is evenly spread across all the cooked rice. You saw how quickly we have prepared this rice. Our roasted tomato rice is ready to be served. Enjoy this delicious variety of tomato rice with flavors of dry spices and roasted aroma with all your family and friends, and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed and you will love this recipe. Thank you for watching. check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.